You idiot.
It's fine. We'll be fine.
You blithering idiot. You're a fool.
We can change our moon.
You're a fucking fool. No, we can't, because we've already flown there.
We're in danger.
Simon,
we
you
have
drove
any
us to
flashes?
South Tryon in the middle of the night.
Hazard level B.
That is the highest I've seen it ever go.
Ooh, Axel. Back
Alright.
to the door.
Yeah.
What? Pappy? Pappy?
Yes.
I thought you died. I heard a noise when you walked to the door. I'm like, God damn it! Oh!
Hello?
Hello.
You're alive? Oh, you found another fucking horn. I thought you were screaming because you were scared. That battery's worth 80, but it'll turn off all the lights everywhere. Nice one. I think it also makes it more dangerous.
Increased levels of radiation. Okay, we're all gonna die that much sooner.
There's also no lights anymore.
Alright, there's the
I
three of
wanna-
us to say, is he still inside?
I think we should just take what we have and go somewhere else.
Yeah, I got a cookie sheet. I think we could easily get away with.